Captain Anshuman Singh hailed from Bardhiya Dalpat village of Deoria district in Uttar Pradesh and was born in the year 1997. The son of an army veteran Subedar Ravi Pratap Singh and Srimati Manju Singh. He was the youngest among three siblings with an elder brother and sister. Upon completing his studies at Armed Force Medical College, Pune, he embarked on the journey of service by joining the Indian Army. He was commissioned into the Army Medical Corps, the corps that provide medical service to the Indian Army during peace and war. Beginning his career as an Army Medical Corps officer, he dedicated himself to the noble cause of providing medical care and support to his fellow servicemen. After servicing for some time, he got married to Miss Smriti Singh on 10th Feb 2023, an engineer by profession. In July 2023, Captain Anshuman Singh was serving with 403 Field Hospital of 26 Punjab Battalion on attachment from 26 Madras deployed in Siachen Glacier. The area remained inaccessible during the winter months and the soldier faced extreme risks in manning the forward post in inhospitable terrain at heights over 19,000 feet under extreme weather conditions. In the early morning hours on 19 July 2023, approximately at 3 am, an ammunition stockpile caught fire at the Chandan dropping zone at Siachen. Captain Anshuman heard the call of fire and rushed out of his fiberglass hut. Captain Anshuman quickly realized that many of his soldiers were trapped inside and needed to be rescued. Without caring of his own safety, he leaped into action, fully aware of risk, to save as many of his fellow troops as possible. Despite the perilous surroundings and the threat posed by the fire, he fearlessly ventured into the affected area, determined to search for survivors and bring them to safety. Demonstrating quick thinking and fearless leadership, Captain Anshuman Singh managed to rescue 4 to 5 individuals from the nearby fiberglass hut that was rapidly filling with smoke and on the brink of catching fire. His calm demeanor and clear instruction helped guide these individuals to safety, showcasing this remarkable ability to stay composed under pressure. Then he saw that the medical investigation room was engulfed in fire. He went inside his fiberglass hut to retrieve the medical aid box. However, he could not make his way out of the flames that had spread and engulfed his shelter because of high velocity winds. He could not be rescued despite repeated effort, and his mortal remainings were retrieved from the shelter after the fire was doused. Captain Anshuman Singh was a valiant soldier and a fine officer who led from the front and laid down his life at the age of 26 years in the service of the nation. Captain Anshuman Singh was given the nation's second highest peacetime gallantry award, Kirti Chakra, for his outstanding courage, devotion to duty, and supreme sacrifice. The award was received by his mother, Srimati Manju Singh, and wife, Srimati Smriti Singh, from President Srimati Draupadi Murmu on 5th July 2024.